Guys, welcome to HardReset.Info. Today I want to show you how to see available random access memory on your Motorola Edge 50. Open Settings application, scroll down and choose About Phone selection. In it, we tap on Device Identification and there we have build number. We must tap sometimes because when you want to see your available random access memory, you must open your develop mode. To do that, tap sometimes on build number, enter your look screen to connect to that, and where we are developer, we can go back and choose system, where we have new additional offset developer options. We tap on it and there memory, and there we have information about our available random access memory that we have 6.3 gigabytes available from our total memory 16 gigabytes, and we have free 9.8 gigabytes. And that's all. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.